No, I've been non-stop recording. I just trim out the parts that I don't need. What? Okay, let's go over to gray now. Only took 1.5 hearts. How did I still die? No, I brought him down to 1 health and he still managed to kill me. Okay, blue's over there with no bed. Green, oh god. So much destruction. I'm gonna go to diamonds now, if you don't mind. I'm so bad at this game when I'm recording. Oh my. Okay, 1 white disconnected. Because of OBS. Oh god, green ink, green ink, green ink. He's right at our bed. Well, not right, but not right at our bed, but he's close. Pretty sure he's down there, but I don't know. Did you break green bed? Oh wait, you broke white bed, right? Yeah, this is like, if you fall 3 blocks, you'll also take. I hear blocks. Oh, he's right here! He's right here! Okay, let me chase this nerd. Thank you for the generous donation, nerd. He dropped me a diamond. The diamond that I gave him because when he... Oh my god, he's back! He's back! The nerd's back! The nerd's back! I can't even hit him because he's a hacker! He's a hacker! He's a hacker! Oh, got him. Oh god, white is breaking our bed. Okay. Where are you? Can we come? Okay, I'm also going to blue base. We meet up there. Okay, I see you. I see you. I'm gonna shout you out in my video so that some people will actually subscribe to you. Do we have prot? Okay, we do have prot. We have wise leggings, wise. Wise leggings, wise boots, wise chest plate, and a leather helmet. I'm gonna just stick with you. What? Yeah. Oh, I heard potions. Okay, you go over there. I'm gonna take the diamonds and go to gray base. Don't die, alright? Okay, get back down here. You got... The other one's at the bottom, and I'm very scared to kill him. And he's actually pretty good. He's actually pretty good. Please, save me! Okay, 1v1. What do you mean? Yeah, he's at the diamond gen between aqua and white, and he's going to somewhere else. I'm gonna spectate you. Okay, you're buying stuff. Blue might be coming to you. Beware of invisible. Blue is at green. And then I'm just gonna cut out and edit my videos and put the last fight into the and then when I die, and then I just skip to the part that you kill the last dude. You kill. Yeah. Bedwars with not in. Playing bedwars with it. Playing bedwars with it with. Subscribe. You know, when I posted Minecraft on Instagram, I got 40. Okay. He's over there. He's over there. But you have jump boost. Wait. It still does? I thought it doesn't. I don't think he is. But just head over to his base. Okay, he's still at mid collecting emeralds. Maybe they just spawned? I don't know. How many emeralds do you have? Oh, you used all of them to buy pots. And he won't expect it, he's just collect. There are emeralds, he has like 4 now. Why? He just left mid and is going to green. He's on the opposite diamond gen. Hay lo anh thì thôi muốn ra. Okay, that's a good video.